If you've ever needed to change a file name in OneDrive, this quick tutorial is going to save you time. Whether you're organizing documents, fixing a typo, or making your cloud storage easier to manage, renaming a file in OneDrive is simple once you know where to click. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it fast and without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can do this by going to the OneDrive website and signing in with your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your OneDrive dashboards are stored. Take a moment to locate the file you want to rename. If you have a lot of files, you can use the search bar or browse through your folders to find the exact one. When you found the file, right-click on it. This will open a menu with several file options. From that menu, look for the option that says Rename and click it. A text box should appear, allowing you to edit the current file name. Now type in the new name you want to use. Make sure it's clear, easy to recognize, and saved in a way that helps you stay organized. After you've entered the new file name, press Enter on your keyboard or click Save if that option appears. OneDrive will update the file name right away, and you'll see the new name displayed in your file list. That's it. The file has now been renamed successfully in Microsoft OneDrive. This is especially useful when you're managing schoolwork, business documents, shared folders, or personal files that need better organization. A clean file naming system can make a big difference when you're searching for important items later on. If you want, you can repeat the same process for any other file in your OneDrive account. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if it helped and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll keep showing you easy ways to use everyday apps and cloud tools without the hassle. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.